Hi, this is Mr. Malowski, and today we're going to look at Concept 1, Writing or Evaluating Expressions in Isolation, Exponents Included. First thing we need to do is define a variable. A variable is a quantity that you can change. It's almost always represented by a letter. And when you evaluate an expression, you need to substitute the variable with the given value. Hint: I would always use parentheses when you're substituting this in. So we're going to look here. We've got our expression is 25 times x plus 30. Our variable is x. That's our quantity that we can change. In this example specifically, we're looking at when x equals 4. So we're going to substitute x equals 4 in for x. So I've got my equation, 25. That hint was use parentheses times 4 plus 30. Now we're going to use PEMDAS in order to solve this. So do we have any parentheses? We sure do. So we've got to do that first. 25 times 4, well, 4 groups of 25 is 100 plus 30. That results in 130. So 25 times x plus 30 when x equals 4 is equivalent to 130. Now that we've evaluated the expression, we need to know how to write one. So we've been given this word problem. Nicole has B cats. Remember, B is our variable. Aaron has 5 more cats than Nicole. Write the expression that shows how many cats Aaron has. So we have our little chart here on the right hand side, and there are some examples of keywords that we look for to know what the signs we're going to find are. So we look at our chart and we see more than right here. Well, that's here in our add column, so we know we need to use the addition sign here. So we've got Nicole with B cats. Aaron has 5 more cats than Nicole, so we're going to add 5 to that. Write the expression that shows how many cats Aaron has. Our expression is B plus 5. The difference between an expression and an equation is an expression does not have an equal sign. An equation does have the equal sign. So we're all done here. It's time for you to practice on your own. We've got 20 minus 3w when w equals 6. I want you to evaluate this expression. Pause the video now, hit play when you have solved it. Did you get the expression is equal to 2? If you did, please click here to go to the next question. If you did not, please continue to watch as we solve this problem. We've got 20 minus 3w when w equals 6. So we're going to substitute the variable in with the 6. So we've got 20 minus 3. Now remember, I want to put this in parentheses. When I solve, the w is equal to 6. So I'm going to substitute 6 in there. Now I need to use PEMDAS. Parentheses? Yep. So I need to evaluate this part here with my parentheses first. 3 times 6. And 3 times 6 is 18. So 18. And the rest of it follows. I have no exponents. I have no multiply or divide. I only have one operation left. 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. 20 minus 3w when w equals 6 is equivalent to 2. Question 2. Orlando has H books. Timothy has 80 books less than Orlando. Write the expression that shows how many books Timothy has. You can look back at that table if it helps you. Again, hit play once you have solved this problem, but pause the video now and solve it on your own. Did you get the expression to equal h minus 80? If so, you can go on to the practice quiz. If not, please watch as we solve this problem together. So we're looking for Orlando. He's got h books. Timothy has 80 books less than Orlando. Write the expression that shows how many books Timothy has. I brought this chart back in so we can look at this table. So what are we looking for here? What's our key word? We see we've got less than. And when we look at less than, we see that is in the subtract column. So we need to write the expression that shows how many books Timothy has. Well, Orlando has h books. Timothy has 80 books less than Orlando. So there's Orlando's. If we subtract 80, because we have less than, and that was in our subtract column, that is the expression that shows how many books Timothy has. H minus 80.